what it is, you know what it is. It's your girl, fredda.fertiti. You dig. Yes, sir, and I'm back with another banger. Hi, everyone. Happy Saturday. It feels like a Monday because I'm like on my way to go do something serious. It feels like a Monday, but no. Happy Saturday, post Valentine's Day. I'm actually going to an interview, a Qatar interview, right now, which I'm quite excited about. I've never been to a Qatar interview, Qatar Airline. So I'm quite excited, and I'm very nervous on like what's needed of me. But yeah, right now I'm actually going to print my things. I need to be there at 10. It is like 7:30. I'm going to print a few things and I'm on my way there. So I'm quite excited. Please don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to click on that post notification bell so you're notified when your girl posts, baby. And I obviously did it. So we are coming home. So we're coming back tomorrow. And you won't believe what they said. I'll tell you guys. Yo, guys, let me tell you now. I went to this lady. Guys, that lady doesn't smile. That lady doesn't smile. And you won't believe what she said to me. She's like, are your lashes removable? I'm like, yes, they are. Hey guys, let me tell you. Then she's like, are your lashes removable? I'm like, yes. And she's like, I need you to remove them tomorrow. I'm gonna give you a slip, but I need you to remove them tomorrow. I was like, I'll definitely do so. Don't worry. And then the lady that interviewed me, there was a lady next to her, and she was like, hey, you look familiar. I'm like, oh really? She's like, yeah. I was like, maybe I'm famous. And she's like, yeah, maybe. I was like, well, then I was like, I have a YouTube channel. And she's like, oh, maybe I know you from there. And she's smiling and she's nice. Guys, the lady that was interviewing me, she wasn't not even smiling even after that lady did that. And I feel like the way she looked at me, she was like, it's almost like she looked at me like, why the hell did I give you that slip, like the invitation letter to come back tomorrow? I swear she was so mean. She is ruthless. I was like, what? Hey, bo. But anyway, we glory all to God, we made it. We got the invitation letter. I'm coming back tomorrow at 2 p.m. Same venue. So I'm very excited. It is what it is. Yeah. So let's see what tomorrow has for me. Bye. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to click on that post notification bell so you're notified when your girl posts, baby. Bye. Hey guys, so basically the first thing we did was basically write the English test. That was the first round. So this is second day, by the way. Oh yeah, hi guys. It's a Sunday, sorry. So this is round 2. And the first thing we did was write the proficiency English test. And then they're like, I think, okay, so we started off with 135 people. And then after the first round, I think like 8 people left or something. And then right now they're busy with scars. They kind of measuring our heights, checking if we've got scars or tattoos. And then they're going to eliminate people after that. So I'm literally number 1. So I'm freaking out because being the first one is crazy, child. And on top of that, so I'm like, child. But anyway, let's see what happens after this round. Hopefully none of my scars, luckily I don't have tattoos, so hopefully none of my scars are too crazy. Hope you're liking the video. Please don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to click on that post notification bell so you're notified when you go post. Bye. Oh my goodness, guys, I've been speaking for like a good 2 minutes only to realize that I wasn't recording. Please tell me what nonsense is that. Anyway, guys, today is the final round. I am so proud of myself, and oh, glory be to God. God is so good, I tell you guys. You know, I knew that 2025 was my year, but damn, God is literally showing up, honey. So right now, today's my final day. I think today's like final interviews. It's like a one-on-one type of thing, I think, because and thankfully it's only 15 minutes because the next person arrives at 15 minutes after me. So my appointment is at 3 p.m. Thank you. My appointment is at 3 p.m. and hopefully, no, I'm actually gonna make it. I'm on my way now. And inserts. So yeah, guys, I cannot wait. So we'll see what happens. I think it's gonna be also sample. Like I said, it's gonna be sample questions. So they'll be basically telling us, asking us like questions, and if this had to happen, what would you do? Wara wara, all of that. So it'll remove. Okay, yeah. So I'm actually quite nervous and I'm excited, but let's do it. Please don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to click on the post notification bell so you're notified when your girl posts. Thank you so much. Ish, guys, I hate not giving these people a tip, and I'm so broke. I'm at my brokest right now. I feel like that's why good things are happening. You know, when you're at your brokest, you literally get so many opportunities, and you just like, you know. But hey, I'm sorry. Anyway, bye. Let's go get this job, child. Guys, when I tell you that is not child's play. Guys, interviews are not child's play. Interviews are not child's play. Guys, I was trying to hide my gap. I literally tried to hide my gap. I kept smiling like, I can't do this, and literally, because I was scared they were gonna see my gap. But we actually done. I just finished my meeting. My interview. It really wasn't that bad. I was a bit nervous, but I tried my best to control myself, to answer the questions as best as I could, as appropriate as I could. And yeah, I basically they just asked me like sample questions. That was it. And yeah, so it wasn't too bad, I don't want to lie, but yeah. Anyway, thank you so much. I wish. Anyway, please don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, then don't forget to click on the post notification bell so it's right when you go post. I'm gonna find out if I made it or not in 2 weeks. By the grace of God, they will call me in a week. Amen. Hey y'all, Mom and I are going out to dinner. Come mommy. Mom and I are going out to lunch, dinner. Mom, go look. We're going to dinner. Proper dinner, lunch vibes. Are you not excited, Mom?
I am definitely excited for this.
Let's go
Thank
eat.
you so much.
Yes, guys. We are at Modern Tailors. Enjoy. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to click on the post notification bell so when you go post. Bye.
This one I bet you with the jabata. Me, I know get time, I did that. That cover my face, calling me that bada. Biggie man, we don't think yeah, bada. Tell me, what's it come? You are go, all depend. The cash, ride the foot, and the feet, die for nothing. What's it come? You are go, all depend. The cash, ride the foot, and the feet.
us?
No, you look good still.
Thing when you do, them must commend it. I can't come and see myself. So anything when they do, I they try to take me to another way. I can't come and see myself. Plenty survive with the face. Just to make your money day. But my people then go say, I know one buy, I know one die, I know one women. I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want to know. Tell me, what's it go? What you want go? All the Bentley, the gas, ride the boat. I know be die for nothing. What's it go? What you want go? All the Bentley, the gas, ride the boat. I know be different things them happening, schemes and packaging. In a one night for shows, I'm juggling. Flow like the ocean, my boat, I'm paddling. Shout out, Bella, that's my bro, my family. Frozen drinks. When it comes to money, I did concentrate. Make I tell you straight, you are not my mate. If you become a shall not be head of state. But my people then go say, I know one buy, I know one die, I know one women. I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want to know. What's it go? You are go? All the Bentley, the gas, ride the boat. I know be die for nothing. What's it go? You are go? All the Bentley, the gas, ride the boat. I know be now.
Hey guys. How's the food? Okay, actually we haven't really had, we can't rate it yet because we just started eating. But I like these crisps. They're actually very nice. They're kind of different, like potatoes. It's crispy potatoes, almost like wedges, but more crispier and more spiced up. So it's kind of good. But my food over here, guys, this looks so good. If you know me, please know that I love seafood. I love seafood. So I am quite excited. Oh my word, I see an octopus. My good love Nati already. So I'm literally but yeah. It's not nice. Guys, my mom just tasted prawns for the first time. And it's so good. Ah, mama. Guys, they are so good. They actually so good. Serious? Oh my word. Hi guys. My mom and I can't even finish the food. Yo, why you wait this off? I'm so white, guys. I need to buy new makeup. I need to buy proper makeup. Oh, anyway, my mom and I can't finish the food, so we're gonna have takeaways. She can't even speak. That's how full she is. These smoothies though, they bang. Not gonna lie. Hope you're liking the video. Please don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to click on the post notification bell so you're notified when your girl posts. You know, guys, I'm abathi umuntu ubhekile mara yezangathi akakabheki. That's what they mean. Say bye. Mom, say bye. How it tastes. Was this how you eat them? Okay.
Shop on my Indian. Yeah, it's an Indian shop.
Oh, it's nice. Normal sweets.
I'm fine. You know,
When I beg you, baby, I no get time, I did that.